This is Crystal Waters. We've got a lot of different things up here, but one thing we have now is a donkey. Hi, how are you today? And about 34 cows or so. What's going on? Nou ja, see what happens. I have to get my shovel. Oh, it's fancy, but the fence is open. Yeah. I have to wait and see. And two donkeys. Two donkeys. Two donkeys. 34 cows. Just wonder what's going on. Maybe I should close the gate. I have to deal with those feisty looking things. Maybe they got when I come closer. I don't know. I'll have a look. And then is the electricity on the thing? Hi buddy. You're all young cows, eh? You're all young cows, yeah. Oop. Donkeys. Beautiful donkeys. Hi. How are you? I didn't know you were. You are being fooled. You'll be fooled, not the other one. Stand behind it. How many cows are there? It's about 60 cows. What are you doing? Don't eat my mobile phone. Oh. Yeah. The donkeys are good to herd cows out.